you gotta keep it there. The one is all.
We're not talking though. I thought we were doing a voice. Okay. It'll be easier like that. Okay. Like okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. I want a limonata. You can include that in the video. Y'all know, have y'all ever heard of limonata? It's this wonderful lemon drink from Italy that I absolutely love. They have it here, and I just really want one because it's very, very hot. It's so hot. But anyway, y'all were asking how we have our remote companies situated here and serve clients across the world. So, the vast majority of our clients are in America, but the caveat is in the position we're in, knowing different Kenyan entrepreneurs, Nigerian entrepreneurs, Ghanaian entrepreneurs, Middle Eastern entrepreneurs, we actually serve the immigrant community who actually comes to America and has thriving businesses. This is why we always say that, like, guys, our community is at a deficit because we work with these finance firms, with these real estate firms that are taking off in the country you're in right now, in America, okay? And so we're saying that, like, we really have to be on code as a community and actually start our businesses, run good businesses, invest in our marketing, invest in business development, because we literally work in these communities where the investments are popping off, okay? So somebody asked that, and it's a very simple answer. We work with diaspora businesses, mostly Black owned, African owned, but they left the continent maybe 20 years ago, maybe 30 years ago, maybe 15 years ago. And so they feel a synergy and relatability when they work with us, essentially. That's what's going on. And so, you guys, this, these insights, do with it what you will, either way. This is the most leverage you can get because the issue that a lot of people find, unless you go to an economy that has a strong currency, you're going to have an issue trying to apply your business to an African economy that does not have a strong currency. So you have to think B2B, business to business. How can I create a business that serves other businesses? Even if I'm in herbal care, even if I'm in natural care, my goal is I want to serve other businesses because I have a larger lifetime value of my client and I'm selling larger packages. So, for instance, a client on Caliber with our agency in Tanzania would be like the ABSA group, okay, like an entire bank. These are the levels of institutions that we work with in America, and so we only take a high caliber of clientele. And typically, it's not a small business. Now, the only capacity that we currently work with small businesses is Black Educators Amplified. That's the only capacity where we give these same strategies to small businesses, okay? Because we've elevated in such a way, being here in Africa, having a lower cost of living, being able to invest and really see how to do business quickly. I mean, it's to the point. We were just talking about this the other day, how my coach that we worked with, whew, I'm sorry, I just walked up a hill. My coach who we worked with, she's at a level in her business, but I realized the clients that we're serving in the agency now have surpassed her. Ghanaian, Nigerian, African continental people who move to America, that when they go, they mean business. They start tax relief firms, they become doctors, they become lawyers. And guess what? They work with people who are on their level in the diaspora, such as us and such as others, who can give them the marketing and business development that they need.
Yes, 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 guys. Look, that's no lie. That's all facts, right? So I was just when you was talking about that, or while you was talking about that, it came a thought in my head like, hey, yes, look, while you're in America, leverage the people that came from Africa to America and started their business. Ask the questions that you need because these are the serious people that can go back to Africa and maybe buy a property and maybe start a big business. So these people that is in
You good? It's nothing. I think it's nothing.
the
A
people
little
that
squirrel, a little possum.
uh
Oh, you're welcome.
now it's those lizard it'd be those fast lizards here, but yeah, the people that's in America that's doing business well, that has a well-grounded business, that's been in business, um, these are the people that you really want to connect with because they have a community even back home, to support them, even if they want to come back to the motherland and start their business. So this is good information because when you think about it, these are the people that's going to do very well. These are the people that speak English very well. They have an understanding of business. They have an understanding of humanity, really, because really coming from Africa, people really understand the importance of relationships, the importance of community. And then going to America, they build their own community around what they do so they can serve the people back home. Even like for us, when we came here to Africa, there is still a community of Africans that's in America that can understand, like, wow, you guys left America and want to go to Africa, but I left Africa and wanted to come to America. So there's an understanding on both ends. There's an understanding on both sides where um, it's just a blessing. It's just a blessing to see because people such as that, I'm telling you, the understanding, you really don't have to do much work because, you still have to do your work. You still have to do your due diligence and stuff like that. But where if you try to work with someone from, what was that, Israel, put it like that, there's going to be a lot of questions behind it. There's going to be a lot of back and forth. There's not going to be a lot of understanding to it. So, you know, this is the community that we need to build. We can go this way. This is the community that we need to build and sustain ourselves on, right? Really. So that's just what it is. You gotta say anything?
Kenya, but that's it.
No. What do you mean, can you?
So,
But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Um, yeah. Any more questions? Let us know. We are on our walk, and it's very hot. We need some water. Um, and
you
yeah,
getting in the pool? You
yeah.
want to get in?
I'm getting in the pool,
I'm getting in the
man.
pool too, though.
It's such a blessing to we can walk around here, be hot, and then know that we got a free pool to go back to.
Yeah, we used to pay for the pool in Tanzania. How much we spend now? The food was good, but we got our atta chapati at home. We used to spend, a good little amount to take the whole family to the pool. We're a family of seven, y'all. We are a family of seven. Unless you're in an economy where they preference families that are expats, child, that stuff add up. That stuff adds up. Then they gonna get you on that. Oh, you're a Mzungu. Let me give you the Mzungu. Okay, that's fine. Shalom, shalom.
Shalom, family. Enjoy. Enjoy. Wow.